Ever wondered why everyone at school is suddenly tapping a bright neon orange card, and if it's actually any better than the basic bank account your parents set you up with years ago? When I turned 16, I wanted a bit more freedom with my money without feeling like I was using a kid's app, and Monzo's 16 to 17 account ended up being the perfect middle ground. It's a full UK current account, but with a few built-in guardrails that actually make life easier. The first feature I can't live without is pots. Instead of all my money sitting in one big pile where I accidentally spend my phone bill on lunch, I can move my savings into separate pots. I have one for my driving lessons and another for festival tickets. You can even lock them or set goals so you can see exactly how close you are to buying that thing you've been eyeing. Then there's the Get Paid Early feature. If you have a part-time job and get paid via Bax, Monzo literally lets you claim your money at 4 p.m. the day before it's actually due. It sounds like a small thing, but when it's Thursday and you're skint, getting that Friday paycheck a few hours early feels like a massive win. For hanging out with friends, shared tabs and bill splitting are game changers. If we're out for pizza and I pay the whole bill, I don't have to do the awkward who owes me what math. I just tap the transaction, select my friends, and it sends them a request. If they're on Monzo, they just tap accept and the money is back in my account instantly. Security-wise, I love that I have total control. If I lose my card, which happens more than I'd like to admit, I can freeze it instantly in the app. No need to call a bank or wait on hold, I just tap a button. If I find it in my jeans pocket 5 minutes later, I just unfreeze it and it works again immediately. Plus, if you're heading on a school trip or a family holiday, there are no fees for spending abroad. You get the real exchange rate without the hidden tourist tax traditional banks usually tack on. It's basically all the adult banking features like instant spending notifications and budgeting tools, just with the 18+ stuff like gambling and overdrafts blocked so you don't accidentally ruin your credit before you've even started. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.